Hey everyone, today I'm going to be building a custom agent with a built-in process. Now, you may be wondering, what is a process? Think of it like a to-do list or a checklist that the agent can follow and make sure that it's collecting the right information. It'll also do some verification checks on documents, send out for approvals. Today I'm going to be setting up an onboarding agent to show you how this works. I'll just use the agent, the builder agent itself, to build out my custom agent. And so this one, I'm just saying, I want to create an onboarding process agent where I'm collecting general information about a new employee, request necessary documentation to be uploaded, and then having the manager approve and sign off on the new employee. Let's go ahead and submit that. So the builder agent is actually going to create the instructions for me, create the process. It just saves a lot of time, and we'll give it a second to build that out. And there it is. So it's completed the draft agent that I requested. And here you can see it's put in the instructions for me. And then if I go over to process, you can see that it created different sections for me, collecting the employee information, going through the document uploads, manager approval, and then completing the onboarding. Now, I just want to check one thing. I'll ask the builder this question, which is, can you update the manager approval to always be sent to, and I'll put my email. Okay. And this is just for demonstration purposes. Obviously, you could have a database storing the manager relationships. You could have that in your HR system as a call out to that system to collect the manager. But again, I'm just doing this for demo purposes. Great. So now that's updated. I can see that information right here, and I'll go ahead and release this. Releasing an agent makes it available to you on the coworker side. So I'm going to go straight over to the end user view of this, and we'll walk through a new employee onboarding. Let's just open that new onboarding agent up. Start onboarding. Okay, so the first thing it's asking for is some general information. I've got some documents here that are for Alex Johnson that we can use. I'm going to make him account executive, sales, pick a date. Let's see, Jordan Rivera. Okay, submit. Okay, and what's really nice about this is you'll notice that it will start to bring up a process for us to see where we are in the steps and how many steps to complete. So the next thing here is it's asking for an ID, for a background check, for tax forms. And so I'll go ahead and upload that information. An ID here. Okay, submit that. What's really cool is that the agent will actually look over those documents. I uploaded on purpose here an incorrect document to see if it would catch it. I gave it an ID. I did not give it the background check, and I gave it an I-9. And so you can see actually that it identified that I gave it the wrong information there, and that it would continue to request that to complete this process. I'll just continue to fill out this form with some information. Okay. Submit the contact information. Okay, so you can see that it's still wanting this required form. So I'll give it the background check form now. And from here, it should let me continue on. All right, it's now received and happy with all information. And so now all of those documents are in. You can see that it's gone to the last and final phase, which is manager approval. I don't have to do anything further as the employee here. The manager would get an email with a summary of the information, and all of that's configurable. Obviously, all of this process is configurable, but it allows you to seamlessly onboard an employee or go through any process, allowing that user to be able to see where they are inside of those steps. I hope you found this walkthrough useful, and we look forward to seeing how you leverage process in your custom agents. Thanks for watching.